Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you, Floor Leader. Good afternoon once again. I stand before you because I want to reiterate the implementation, the adoption of the guidelines of Republic Act 9482 or the Anti-Rabies Act of 2007. As reported by some municipalities and also in accordance with the record of the provincial government, I have here some data gathered about the incidence of rabies in the province of Iloilo. I will start on the word assess, and please allow me to read. Whereas Republic Act number 9482 or the Anti-Rabies Act of 2007 declares that it is policy of the state to promote and protect the people's right to health, thereby mandated system of control, prevention of the spread and eventual eradication of human and animal rabies shall be provided, and the need for the responsible pet ownership established. Whereas on May 5, 2023, it is reported that a man from the town of Lucena, Iloilo, has died due to suspected rabies infection after he was bitten by a dog. And according to reports, he had also eaten dog meat before getting infected. Republic Act number 9482, the Anti-Rabies Act of 2007, specifically banned the trade of dogs for meat or as measure to prevent the spread of rabies in the country. Whereas the Department of Health, the DOH, in partnership with the Department of Agriculture, the DA, the Department of Education, the Dapat, and the Department of Interior and Local Government, the DILG, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, the DNR, and the World Health Organizations with the Animal Welfare Coalition is enforcing the Rabies Prevention and Control Program to declare the Philippines as rabies-free by the year 2030. Whereas 2022, there has been 79 reported canine positive rabies cases in 5 human deaths in Iloilo. Most of these cases were because of the stray dogs. Therefore, impounding stray dogs and practicing responsible pet ownership shall be practiced in the province of Iloilo. Whereas according to the Provincial Health Office, the number of animal bite treatment centers or ABTCs in the province of Iloilo has increased from 17 to 23. However, only 37% of these ABTCs are functional and have implemented the anti-rabies ordinances and programs. Whereas managing dog bites is easier if municipalities are declared rabies-free, since immediate vaccination is not required before the 14th day of observation of the dog bite. Whereas there are currently 26 rabies-free areas in the province of Iloilo, 6 barangays from Carles, 18 from barangays from Concepcion, 2 from Ahoy. All are located in the island barangays. Thus, the provincial government of Iloilo encourages the municipalities to organize their municipal rabies control committee to increase the number of rabies-free areas in the province. Whereas fewer rabies cases reduce funds for post-exposure vaccination and allocate them to other programs and projects. Whereas as of May 2023, out of 397,578 dog population, there are 156,913 or 51.2% vaccinated dogs in the province of Iloilo, which is an estimated of 2% increase from 2022. So this is the word assess. Now, I'd like to sponsor a resolution to compel the component LGUs in the province of Iloilo to adopt the guidelines of the Republic Act number 9482 or Anti-Rabies Act of 2007 for its effective implementation in the province of Iloilo, and copies be furnished to the Office of the Governor, the component local government units, through the local chief executive, the Provincial Health Office, the Provincial Agriculture Office, the Provincial Veteran Office, the Municipal Agriculture Office, and Municipal Veteran Offices in the province of Iloilo for the information and guidance.
The presiding officer, Pro Leader, moves that resolution compelling the component LGUs in the province of Iloilo to adopt the guidelines of Republic Act number 9482 or the Anti-Rabies Act of 2007 for its effective implementation in the province of Iloilo, sponsored by the Honorable Rolito Cahilig,
Co-sponsor.
be approved.
Co-sponsored by.
Some clarification.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I want to co-sponsor. But in addition, Mr. Chair, I think the national government is campaigning for a rabies-free on the year 2032, 2030.
2030.
Oh, but with this kind of trending, Mr. Chair, I think we cannot do such in the province of Iloilo.
Yeah.
And we have a provincial ordinance about the anti-rabies.
Yeah.
I don't know where to start with. Maybe this is one of the resolutions passed by Board Member Lito Cahilig that the local government units will participate in the massive campaign to eradicate anti-rabies. But it seems that the local government units are not really serious in addressing this kind of problem. So that's my observation, Mr. Chair, and I want to co-sponsor.
Thank you.
Okay.
The Provincial Veterinary Office also already distributed the vaccines to every municipality. And they're starting to go around and vaccinate every dog or stray dogs or impounded dogs in every municipality.
Pro Leader moves that pending motion be approved, Mr. Presiding Officer.
So moved. Any second the motion? Seconded unanimously. Motion is approved.